Kia ora, my name is Christian DuPont. I'm the founder and CEO of Good Sorts Property Services. Our journey started with a simple vision: to redefine the property maintenance industry by placing people at the heart of everything we do. I saw a gap in the market for a service that truly cares for its clients and its people. And that's how Good Sorts was born. From humble beginnings here in the Okanagan region, we're excited to now share this opportunity with you.
Hi, I'm Alison Gector with Good Sorts. We're not just about cleaning and maintenance. We've built something special with our franchise opportunity. We've had great success in our market, and now we're excited to find other individuals to join us on this journey. With our proven model, our strong support team, and our commitment to quality, this is a perfect opportunity to grow your own business.
What sets us apart is our people-first approach and our advanced technology like Checkmate for real-time quality assurance.
We provide the tools and support that you need to be successful, whether that's through our extensive training program, our ongoing coaching, or our technology suite. We want you to be successful from day one.
Our Checkmate system ensures every property we manage meets our high standards.
Joining Good Sorts Property Services means becoming part of a family that values people, innovation, and quality. With our strong brand, proven processes, and ongoing support, you'll have everything you need for a successful franchise and to make an impact in your community.
We're excited about the possibility of you joining us and bringing the Good Sorts difference to your community. If you're ready to take the leap into a rewarding franchise opportunity, then let's start the conversation. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to learn more about how you can become a part of the Good Sorts family.